Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the Drop Cap element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Drop Cap element is one of the Avada inline elements. These elements can only be used in conjunction with other text-based elements. If I try to add the element directly into the content, we can see it's grayed out. And if I mouse over it, it tells us it's an inline element for usage inside other elements. For more info on inline elements, please see the links below the video. The Drop Cap element is a simple element that allows you to make the first letter in a paragraph of text larger. It will work on any text-based element in Avada Builder, but it's most commonly used at the start of a paragraph of body text. With Avada Live and inline editing, adding a Drop Cap element couldn't be easier. I'll just select the first letter in this paragraph here on the Travel Prebuilt, and as we see, the inline editing tool appears. If I click on the plus bar at the far right, I can add any of the inline elements, of which Drop Cap is one. When I choose Drop Cap, our selected letter becomes larger and now has a color. By default, this is color 5, but you can select whatever color you want on the Design tab. There are not many options with the Drop Cap element, but as you can see in the General tab of the element, as well as the ubiquitous CSS options, you can also choose to have it boxed. I will set that to yes, and when I do, another option appears under this one, allowing me to control the box radius. As the description says, you can enter a pixel value in here or use round if you want the box to be a circle. You can also enter 0 if you want the box to be completely square. It already has a small radius, and I think that looks good. If we go to the Design tab now, the color options are different. Color now controls the color of the box, and I think I will change the box color to color 4. When you have boxed selected, there is also an option here to control the text color for full control over the contrast and styling of the Drop Cap. I'll leave that as it is. To re-edit, reset, or delete an inline element, just right-click on it and choose from the pop-up menu. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.